Yeah, I do push up. Good morning, Delcian. Hi from Oregon. Hello from Oregon, Larry. My party sound so much boom. Oo, ako kasi yan. Si Manang Rose Black, ako yan. Alam ba kung ano yung totoo kong pangalan? Totoo kong pangalan is Rose Ann. Iduaw. Kaya Angel kasi an ako. Pero sa mga Rose talaga ako. Pero tinanggap kay Angel Quinones kasi apelyido yan ng papa ko, Quinones. Kaso wala na yung father ko. So yan na lang yung remembrance namin sa kanya. Thank you, Iduo. Thank you. Thank you very much. Magsa-soundset po kasi para gana. Yeah. Yeah, it's very sad. My mother and father was dead. My father did is October 4, 2022. And then my mother did is this September 17, 2024. Yeah, it's okay, but it's so sad, but we are all regret. It's time to move on of our life. Because before was die, and all of her concern about my father and mother was Uyaks. Thank you, Edwa. It's okay. We start. Yeah, it's hard, but we are thankful. We're going to be strong.